Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we're gonna play a game called Square Bird. As you see in the screen, there is a bird, but it looks like a square, something like this. And she will lay some, if we click in the screen, she will lay eggs. So we can do some levels, like this. Oh, it's hard. Okay. Let's try one more time. Okay, now let's complete. Here, like this. And then do like this. Okay. Fine. I was going to die. Fine. No! Oh my god. Okay. We were so near. Okay, no problem. Okay, fine. Until now it's easy. No! Are you kidding me? Oh. Okay, no problem. Okay, now let's complete. No, are you kidding me? It's really hard. Okay. Fine. Okay, we are so near. Finally. Oh my god, it was really hard. Okay. Fine. Okay, next level. Okay guys, I wanna check if I have new skins. Oh, see, this is skin. Like Batman. Okay, let's try it. Okay, fine. No. Okay, no problem. One more time. Okay, now let's try one more time. Okay, fine. Finally. This one was more easier from the first one. Okay. Here another skin. Maybe we have a new skin. Oh, we have these two skins. Okay, maybe we can try this blue color. You know, it looks like what? It looks like a frozen chicken or something like that. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, now let's try another time. Okay. Fine. Okay. And I win, finally. Okay. Now another skin, you know. Oh, see this girl skin. Wow, I like it so much. It's so cute. Okay, fine. No. Okay, let's try again. Okay, now let's complete. Fine. No. Oh my god. Okay. Fine. Okay, and we're so near. Yeah, and we win. Finally. Okay, now we have bonus level. Oh my god. Fine. Now we have some boxes. Okay, we get money. Fine. Now here. Oh, we have a new one. We can try a new one. Wow, it's more better. Okay, a new skin. There is a new skin. Yeah, there is a lot. Okay, we can try this one. I don't know, like it looks, I don't know, like cute, but in the same time scary, you know? Oh, okay. Okay, now here. Fine. No. Okay. Not again. It's really like confusing. Yes, finally. Oh my god. Not again, not again, not again. Oh my god. It's getting really harder. Okay, I will try again. Fine, slowly. I will cry. Okay, now let's complete. It's really hard. Okay, slowly. Fine. No, not again. And guys, like this we finish our video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. And also if you have any comments, please write down. And see you. Bye.